Don't tell you now say Nigerians no sabi name pikin. If you born pikin wey get big head, name am Edward. If you born pikin wey get big lips, name am Phillips. If you born pikin wey big, name am Abigail. If you born pikin wey get big nose, name am Nosa. If you born pikin wey get big mouth like MC Kirikiri, name am name am Matthew. If you born pikin wey resemble dog, name am Douglas. If you born pikin wey resemble monkey, name am Monica. If you born pikin inside shop, name am Bishop. Pikin wey resemble ram, name am Ramoni. If na boy, na him be Ramoni. If na girl, name am Ramota. Pikin wey resemble rabbit, Rabiu. If you born pikin wey get long teeth, Titi. If the teeth long well, name am Titi Layo. If you born pikin wey mumu, name am Mumuni. If you born pikin wey get big eye, name am Irene. If you born pikin wey long, name am Loginus. If you born pikin on top of mat, name am Matthias. If you born pikin for barrack, name am Mubarak. If na girl, Baraka. Pikin wey lean, Linda. Pikin wey thin, Tina. Pikin wey fat, Fatima. Pikin wey short, Shola. Pikin wey get Kelek, Kelani. Pikin wey get bend leg, Benita. If na boy, Bernard. If the two legs bend well, Benjamin. If you born pikin wey get 2 heads, name am God forbid.